This is Boss Man. This is my red devil cichlid. Now, what's special about him is I had him in a 125-gallon tank with a whole bunch of other predatory fish. Jaguars, Oscars, tiger shovel nose. Boss Man actually fertilized some eggs. And again, he is a real red devil, full-blooded. He fertilized some eggs that this other fish I call Queen Jellybean. He fertilized her eggs. Now, Queen Jellybean happens to be rainbow parrot, blood parrot, which is, try to get some of the glare out of here. This one. This is a female blood parrot, rainbow parrot. And I know she's a female because I've had her about a year and she probably laid at least 150 eggs, so I know she's a female. Boss Man is the father. He's like the miracle father, or the surrogate father. But here's one of his offspring that's changing colors. This one has already changed colors. They were all this color. This is also the one. So I call him, he's more like a black devil. See? See him from the side? He's definitely got all the characteristics of a red devil, except he's black, brown, reddish brown, a couple of different colors. This one has completely took on most of the characteristics of the male red devil, and here's a smaller one.